All right, in this video, I'm going to show us how to do the part that goes off at an angle, which we're going to call a chamfer, and the 2x2 part that kind of rounds over, which we're going to call a 2x2 fillet part. All right, so what I have here is I have just a 2x2 piece. It is solid in the bottom. I've just finished doing my rectangular pattern, and what I want to do is I want to make a sketch on the bottom. What I'm going to do with this bottom sketch is I'm just going to project my geometry. So I'm going to do that, construction, project geometry. I'm just going to click on the bottom here. This is just to give us a reference point for when we are going to make the little connector on the bottom, the little circle part on the bottom. All right, now my next part is I'm going to remove two of these pegs. So I'm going to make a sketch on top of here. Oh, sorry. Sketch. I'm going to do a sketch on top of here. And to make this, I'm just going to draw a little rectangle here. Finish sketch. When I'm going to extrude this part, I'm going to actually cut it. I'm going to go to this surface. Okay. So this is going to give me I'm just removing my pegs, basically. It gives me this little edge that I can either do a chamfer or a fillet on. So I'm going to go ahead and do my fillet. My fillet should be along this line right here. And this will be a dimension of D0. So it's half my width here. I could have also done 0.31. So if you need to do 0.31, you can type that in. I like using D0 here. Okay, so I can say OK. And then I'm going to go File, Save As. I'm going to save this as a 2x2. And then I'm going to say Fillet. Okay. I'm going to delete this fillet. I'm going to do a chamfer now. This chamfer is going to be right here. And I think it's going to be two distances. First distance is going to be D1. I think this other one might be D1 as well. Yep. Okay. So we got a 45-degree angle right there. And I could say OK. Then I go File, Save As. And now instead of fillet, it's going to be called chamfer. So I basically made two different save files. The next steps that I'm going to be taking in this are going to be the same for both of these. I'm just going to show it with the chamfer, and then you'll have to do the fillet on your own. So the last few steps here are the same as anything else. I'm going to be going 0.065. Click on the bottom here. And now you'll see why I made these sketches here. Because now I can make my circle and make this tangent. Oh. Geometry. Project geometry. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, I know what I need to do. I'm sorry, everybody. I can just go into this. And I'm going to make my circles. Tangent. Tangent. And tangent. I'm going to make one more circle inside of here. This one's going to be 0.18. Finish sketch. And now I can just put this and extrude to next. Using that to next will allow it to extrude at this angle. You'll see right here how it extrudes, and it kind of fits that angle. If you're trying to do an actual distance, it end up going through my part. We don't want that. We just want to go to next. Okay, and there you go. There you have it. There's the chamfer. I would just open up my fillet, do my fillet, and that's it.